Good morning, good morning. It's 10:51 in the morning and I'm on my way to the office. It's Friday. And this video is all about just testing out this, if you like to call it, as a motovlog setup that I put together. So yeah, this is my first time I'm using this. I have the GoPro attached to my helmet, and inside the helmet I have a lavalier microphone, and the microphone is connected to the GoPro through the mic adapter for GoPro. You have to have the mic adapter so you can get the external microphone to work with the GoPro. If you don't have the mic adapter, it won't work. So you need the adapter or you need the media mod for the GoPro. So yeah. So I'm filming this just because I want to see how it works and how it sounds. The microphone, does it pick up my voice as it should when I'm driving? And also, well, you can see the Manila traffic as well while I'm driving. I have the visor open, the front air intake on the helmet, it's closed because I have the GoPro Chinmount on it, on top of that air intake, so it's closed, but the visor is open, so there is pretty much wind going inside to my helmet. So yeah, this is just for testing to see how much wind the microphone is picking up, and I will also test how it works when the visor is closed. It should be better, but usually here in the city area in Manila I try my visor open just because, well, I don't know why, but I like it. Alright, now we're gonna close the visor. Alright, let's see, now the visor is closed, so let's test how it sounds. We are going now, this is the Rockwell. As you can see, there is not much traffic on this side of on here. What is this area? And by the way, I don't know, is the angle of the camera good? It's kind of difficult to set up without you streaming the video to your mobile phone and everything. I didn't do that today, so let's see. I don't know. I have no idea how it's gonna look, but let's hope for the best. Now that my air intake in the front is closed, it's gonna get kinda hot inside the helmet, so I'm gonna open it soon. I can keep the air intake open while the chin mount is attached, but the microphone is just behind the air intake, so I don't think that's gonna be a good idea, because you will hear the wind on the microphone constantly. Oh my god. This is just random how these fuckers drive. Look at this motherfucker. What the fuck are you doing, motherfucker? Let it drive. Alright, we're driving at 55 kilometers per hour. Visor is still closed. Let's see how it sounds. How much wind does the microphone pick up? We are turning right here. I'm gonna open my visor like this. Watch the pedestrians. Alright, let's go. And we are going to BGC. Oh my god. This is why you have to be very careful, careful and very cautious how you're gonna drive here, because you never know who the motherfucker is who's gonna pop up in front of you. You don't wanna crash here. More speed, and the visor is open. And I got trash in my eye. Oh, what the fuck. This is the only problem driving with the visor open. Oh, fuck. God damn it. Here we go. There's a Philippine Army headquarters. And then now we are in McKinley Hill. This is where I used to live 2 years. Here we turn left because we need to park in the parking hall. There is no other place where to park, I guess. I don't know. But what we're gonna do, we're gonna park in the parking hall. I think it's 50 pesos or 70 pesos per day, or 12 hours or something. I have no idea. McKinley Park Road. That's where we're going. The parking hall used to be here, but they demolished it to make it smaller. Now it's over here. It used to be here. Yeah. I have no idea how to go in there. Do I have to pay when I go? No, I think I need to pay when I leave. Where's the entrance? There. McKinley car park. Well, I don't have a car. Yes, this is exit only. Alright, okie dokie. Well, yeah. Okay. That way? All right. Oh, there's a lot of motorbikes here. I don't know where to park. Where do I park? I have no idea. No idea where to park, where to park, where to park. I think there's a spot for me. Here. Perfect. All right. Alright, I'm gonna go do my thing, go to work, and yeah, later we drive back home at the night time and let's see how the traffic is then. Now the microphone test is already done, so rest of it is just for fun.